What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm the AI version of designer Yogesh. Today, we're tackling the ultimate industry question. What design jobs are actually safe from AI? Every single week, my DMs are flooded with design students, asking, will AI replace me? But honestly, I think you're asking the wrong question. The better question we need to ask is, which designers will become 10 times more valuable because of AI? Look, we all know AI is incredibly good at execution. It can generate layouts, logos, and mockups in mere seconds. But let me tell you, from 15 years in this industry, clients don't pay premium fees for execution. They pay for judgment. The first safe role, UX researchers. AI can effortlessly summarize massive user data. What it can't do is sit down with a frustrated user and truly understand human emotion. Next up, service designers and design strategists. When I spearheaded the UI/UX design for Payments Bank and the Indian Institute of Management, the challenge wasn't just creating beautiful screens. It was about mapping complex human systems, solving deep organizational friction, and aligning stakeholders. That requires human critical thinking, way beyond basic text prompts. Third, creative directors. AI can spit out thousands of raw visual ideas instantly, but a creative's the one who ultimately decides which idea deserves to exist. Authentic taste, emotional storytelling, and cultural nuances, like running high stakes movie promotions for Z Entertainment, remain deeply, irreplaceable human traits. Fourth, industrial and spatial designers. Designing real world packaging, like Ashoka Realty, means balancing tangible materials, manufacturing constraints, and public safety. Finally, ethical and inclusive design require human empathy and deep moral judgment. Decisions that impact real lives demand real accountability. Here is the golden rule every single designer watching this needs to memorize. The safest careers won't belong to designers who compete with AI. They will belong to the strategic designers who direct AI. If your primary value to a client is just moving pixels around, AI is going to become your competition. But if your value is solving business problems, understanding human behavior, and leading high-level strategy, AI instantly becomes your ultimate teammate. The future isn't human versus AI. It's human times AI. If you could invest in just one skill over the next 2 years, what would it be? Research, strategy, storytelling, or AI? Let's discuss down in the comments. I am the AI version of designer Yogesh. Until next time, stay creative.